Hello. How to firmware upgrade our panels. As you can see, this is a USB 45 converter. USB because this wire, you plug it into the PC USB port. Okay, as you can see, it goes here. Plug it in. It might require some drivers that I will teach you how to configure it. So now we have the panel, the converter connected to the PC, and we have power on it. On the second hand, we have to check our panel. As we're going to do it on 485, we have to see which converter we're going to use, which connector we're going to use. So we have the 45 here and the 232 here. So that also depends on the type of panel. We have two types of connectors, the white connector and the green connector. Green connector, you have to do it manually. White connectors already come with the panel. So, sorry for that. I'm gonna plug this wire into one of the 45 connectors that says 45 plus, 45 minus, or 45 plus, 45 minus. Doesn't matter which one you're going to use. You just plug the converter into the panel. Okay. Now we have the panel connected to a converter connected to the USB, and now we have to configure the USB. As you can see here, we have a software driver for it. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. So how we're going to configure the USB to serial the driver. We go to our computer, right click on it, manage. So we'll prompt this window. And we go to device manager and we check if this is set up properly or not. In our case, we can see it's not. So we double click on here. We go to drivers, update drivers, browse on my computer, and we're going to search for that software that we have before. I place it on here, my desktop. You're going to use this one and only this one. Okay, so you go back, desktop, Watchnet, USB, and we click OK. Click next and let the computer do the rest. Yes, install this driver. Okay, now we see the USB serial converter has successfully updated. We go back to our device, we hit refresh. We may need another driver, so we go again, goes to our computer. It's already choose, so we hit again next. Perfect. We go again, and now we check out that we're using the COM4 for the USB to serial port. Okay, this is already done. Part 1 finished. We close all our windows. We go to our second part. We go back up. Now how to upgrade the firmware. I'll send you a software for it. That is exactly this one. Okay, we double click. Obviously we choose English as a language, and we go to our COM port number 4 as on our device manager show us, and we hit search. Give a few seconds. It will show up on 1. All our panels has to be on ID 1. If you don't know what is ID 1, I'll show you again with a picture. This is ID 1. So now that we search for our panel, it's showing here. We hit, let me search again because we got a serial number error. I think you saw it previously. So we go firmware. Now I'm going to go again to my desktop. You're going to locate the firmware O for December. we choose depending on the panel. Okay, this is the 40.18. We're gonna choose the 40.19. In your case, it is 40.10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We choose this one. If it has a different firmware like 45.3, I'll show you after this how to do it. So let's continue on this one. We go to Watchnet, double click. We're going to choose the type of panel we're going to upgrade. In this case, it's 4. That means 4 doors, 4 readers. So we got 1 door, 2 readers, 2 doors, 2 readers, 4 doors, 4 readers. This is the one I'm going to select. I hit open and then I click upgrade after selecting the panel. Upgrade, and we wait a few seconds until this progress is done. Do not touch nothing in this stage. Just wait. You will see that the converter USB to 245 is blinking. So we have to wait. It says down here, writing application, write application successful. And we have to see until this new panel, new firmware shows up to the newest version. Now you can unplug the panels and everything and pack it up. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, call me before doing anything. If you have any errors, call me before doing anything. If you don't do it correctly, you will burn the panel. So do not do nothing that is not cleared. Thanks for watching.